In this CapCut Mobile tutorial, I'll show you how to create a jittery text animation using the Jittery Disgust effect. This animation makes your text shake and twitch in an unsettling way, which works really well for horror, suspense, or dramatic edits. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Text, then tap Add Text and type in your message. Next, go to the Font tab and choose a font that fits the jittery look. Bold or rough looking fonts usually enhance this effect. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Loop section and scroll until you find Jittery Disgust. Apply it, and you'll instantly see your text start shaking with a jittery, uneasy motion. Now use the duration slider to control the intensity. Slide left to make the jitter faster and more aggressive. Slide right to slow it down for a subtler, shaky effect. Preview your animation and fine-tune the speed until it matches the mood of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a jittery text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.